Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a graphite golf club shaft. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a heat gun, a shaft extractor, and two-part epoxy. Begin by carefully removing the old grip and ferrule from the club. Then, apply heat evenly to the hosel area of the club head. This heat will soften the epoxy, allowing for safe removal of the old shaft. Once the hosel is sufficiently heated, use a shaft extractor to gently and steadily pull the old shaft free. It's crucial to apply consistent pressure to avoid damaging the club head. After removal, meticulously clean the inside of the hosel. Any remaining epoxy or debris can compromise the bond of your new shaft, so ensure it's perfectly clean and smooth. Now prepare your new graphite shaft. Lightly sand the tip of the shaft, about 1.5 inches, to create a good surface for the epoxy to adhere to. Next, measure and trim the shaft to your desired club length. This step is vital for proper club fitting and performance. Finally, mix your two-part epoxy thoroughly, following the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer for the best bond. With the epoxy ready, apply a thin, even layer to the prepared shaft tip and a small amount inside the club's hosel. Carefully insert the new shaft, ensuring it's properly aligned with the club head. Wipe away any excess epoxy immediately. Allow the epoxy to cure fully, typically for 24 hours before handling or playing. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.